What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm super hyped for this video, and if you guys didn't know already, eBay is offering something brand new that is going to change the sneaker game for the better. When I first started collecting sneakers, eBay was my #1 source to go to because of the variety of everything, and on top of that, a ton of the prices were unbeatable and unmatched compared to the other sites that were available. eBay hands down had the greatest prices. They had all the steals and deals, and if you guys have been watching my sneaker unboxing videos, the majority of my sneakers come from eBay. Not too long ago, eBay announced that they're offering an authenticity guarantee on sneakers that are over $150 and that fit in the Air Jordan or Yeezy category. Just to clarify, an authenticity guarantee ensures that whatever sneaker you're purchasing is 100% authentic, so you don't have to worry about getting scammed and you don't have to worry about getting fakes. I know at times that it could be a little bit scary to purchase sneakers online. You don't know where they're coming from or who you're going to be dealing with, but with this new authenticity guarantee, it's going to give you guys a peace of mind. Let's pretend that I'm the seller right here. I already have my pair listed on eBay and you end up buying it. So the first thing that I have to do is send it to the authentication facility, which is actually SneakerCon. SneakerCon has a solid team that has their experts that literally look at everything on the shoe. That goes for the box, that goes for the shoe, stuffing, laces, literally everything that the shoe comes with, and whenever it passes their verification process, it will get sent directly to you. Before I show you the pair that I have in hand, I want to give a huge shout out to my boy Rick Dom2345. He let me use this pair for this video, and he recently purchased these, and at the time he didn't even know that they came with the authenticity guarantee, so everything worked out perfectly. Right off the bat, this is the packaging for the sneakers that he purchased. To my knowledge, the dust bag only comes with pairs that have a damaged box or if they're missing a lid. So in this case, we're missing a lid and there is some slight damage right here in this little corner. So the seller would have to state all of that, say that it's missing the lid and we do have a little dent on the box, and they will go ahead and double check and make sure the box condition is exactly as what was listed in the eBay listing. If it doesn't match, it will not pass this verification process. So eBay included this nice little drawstring bag to make everything look all neat, which is something that I mess with. And if we take a quick look at the tag, it has eBay right here in that nice neon green. Let's go ahead and check out the shoes that he got. So my boy Rick went ahead and purchased these Animal Instinct 3s. I believe this was a gift for his wife or his girlfriend, and as I mentioned at the time, he didn't know that it came with an authenticity guarantee. So as you guys may notice, you see this little tag right here. This is a very important tag that is a part of the process. So once the sneakers get verified, basically they get tagged up at the SneakerCon location, and this tag has all of the information on the sneaker. We could go ahead and take a look at it. I'm sure it has the size, it has all of the information saying that it is authentic. And the cool thing about these tags is that the only way to remove it is to cut it, and you can't transplant this tag to another sneaker. So there's no way that you're gonna get scammed with this. The way that they put the tags on, you can't slip it off, and it's a very unique system that they use. So that's pretty cool on their part. And I believe you only need a smartphone to make this thing work. So let's go ahead and check it out. This is my first time trying this, so let's hope for the best. I'm just gonna hold my phone right here. Oh, there you go. See, Safari. Authenticity guarantee. The Air Jordan 3 Animal Instinct authenticated on 11/12/2020. So it has the date, has the size, has the style number, and also has the condition. So this was a brand new pair with the box. eBay plans on doing used pairs as well in the future, and they plan on doing sneakers that are over $100, but they're going to be working up to that. That's definitely something to look out for in the future. I think that is a very nice feature to add to eBay. Again, when you're buying shoes online, you never know who you're dealing with. You don't necessarily know if you're going to receive the exact sneakers shown. So this is just going to give you guys a peace of mind, and it definitely increases the buyer's confidence. And I think it's a very important move on eBay's part if they want to dominate the sneaker marketplace online. Pretty sure you guys are curious, and I'm curious as well. So I asked Rick if he could go ahead and share some information with us which pertained to how long this process took, because one of my main concerns is that it's going to take a very long time if it exchanges too many hands along the process, and I've seen that with a couple other companies, and I'm not really a big fan of that. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at everything right here that Rick sent us. So it looks like the tracking number was provided on November 8th, 2020. That is from the seller. So of course it has to arrive at the SneakerCon authentication facility before it arrives to him. So it took about 3 to 4 days to get to New York. So it left the facility after it passed on the 12th, and it arrived at his house on November 18th. So if we look at this entire trace right here, it is about 10 days, which is very fast in my opinion. I've had experiences with other websites that took 3 to 4 weeks, and it got to the point where I actually forgot that I purchased the sneaker. It just process was so long. It looks like eBay is definitely expediting the service, making it a lot more efficient, and I really dig that. Inside the package came this card as well, so let's go ahead and read it. Authentic without a doubt. Congratulations on adding another pair of sneakers to your collection. The enclosed pair have been meticulously inspected by a team of professional authenticators. To learn more about your sneakers authenticity, hold your NFC enabled device near the authenticity guarantee tag until you receive a prompt. Then tap to view detailed information about your sneakers. Enjoy your new sneakers, and thank you for choosing eBay. Just to reiterate everything, eBay is currently offering this service for sneakers that are brand new, sneakers that are Air Jordans or Yeezys, and they must be over $150. If they fit all of those qualifications, they will go ahead and be sent to the authentication facility, aka SneakerCon, and eBay plans to go ahead and expand this service to sneakers that are over $100, brand new and used. eBay also plans on covering all collectible sneaker brands, including luxury brands as well. Some of these changes may take place later this December or early 2021. So with all that being said, I'm curious to hear what you guys think about this. Do you think that this service is going to elevate eBay and take it to the next level? I personally think so. And again, it just gives a great peace of mind knowing that somebody else is checking these sneakers and making sure that all of them are 100% authentic. That's about it for this video. Again, let me know what you guys think. I'll have links down below if you guys want to shop eBay sneakers. I'll try to categorize it using the same filters that I use to find all of the steals and deals. Catch you guys for the next video. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay. I'm out. Peace.